We now continue with our exercise 16.3 about mensuration of circles. We are done till sum number 20. Now we move on to sum number 21. So sum number 21, we have got two parts. So we'll do the first part, sum number 21A. They give another figure. So this is a figure. There's a triangle AOB and this arc is ACB. It's given that AOBC is a quadrant of a circle, so that means this is 90 degrees. Of radius equal to 10 meters, so this is 10 meters. Calculate the area of the shaded portion. Take pi as 3.14. So they are given over here that pi ka value is 3.14 over here. So it is not 22/7, but we will be taking it up to 2. Instead of 22.7, 22/7 will be taking as 3.14. The shaded area, so area shaded is equals to area quadrant minus area triangle. See, area of the quadrant is a complete thing over here and area of the triangle is over here. So if you remove the quadrant में से triangle निकाल दिया, what will be remaining will be the section over there, which is the shaded area. So we know that area of the quadrant, we know the formula is 1/4 into pi r square. And area of the triangle is, because they are given with the quadrant, so this is 10 and this is 10. So its area is equals to half into base into height. Okay, half into base into height. So it's 1/4 into 3.14 into 10 into 10 minus 1/2 into 10 into 10. That will be the thing over here. So that makes it 314/4 minus 50. 3/4 is 4, the 7s are 28 and then 28 to 34, 34. So again it will be 7 8s are and then 25, so by minus 50. So that will be equal to 28.5 centimeters square. So the area shaded will be given as, now we have to give correct up to two significant figures. So therefore the answer will be 29 centimeters square. Significant figures. What are significant figures? That is, you are going to have the answer only up to that many numbers of digits. Two significant figures यानी there are only two digits. हम लोग decimal वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं देखेंगे. अगर वहाँ पे decimal है, तो we are just rounding it off to 29. So the answer for the sum number 21 will be 29 centimeter square. We now move on to sum number, one sec. Okay. We now move on to sum number 22nd. A student takes a rectangular piece of paper 30 cm long and 21 cm wide. Find the area of the biggest circle that can be cut out from the paper. Also find the area of the paper left after cutting out the circle. So what they mean to say is this is 22nd sum. There is this rectangular sheet of paper such that this is 21 and this is 10. Sorry, 30 and 21. This is 30 and this is 21. And the student is cutting out the biggest circle. Now the biggest circle will be such that it will be like this. So that the diameter of the circle will be 21. Okay, so we have over here, length is equals to 30, breadth is equals to 21 centimeters. diameter D is equals to 21 centimeters. Therefore, R is equals to 21 upon 2. You need to find out the area of the paper. Find the area of the biggest circle. So, biggest circle will be this much. So, area circle is equals to pi r square, that is 22 upon 7 into 21 upon 2 into 21 upon 2. That will be 33 into 21. So 21 3 is 63, 21 is 63 plus 69. So it will be 693 upon 2, that is 346.5 centimeter square. That's the area of the circle. Now we need to find out that what is the remaining part of the rectangle. So area of the remaining part. So what is left out is the remaining part. So that is nothing but the shaded area like this. That is area of rectangle minus area of the circle. So area left is equals to area rectangle minus area circle. This is a sine circle. So it is area rectangle is length into breadth minus 346.5. That is 30 into 21 minus 346.5. That is 630 minus 346.5. So 630.0 and 346.5. So there will be 2, 10, 9, 10. So 5, 3, and then 5 and 12. So 8 and 2. So it is 283.5 centimeter square is the remaining part. So that was sum number 22nd. Sum number 22nd, the answer is 346.5 and 283.5. Okay, now we move on to the next sum, sum number 24. Sum number 24. We have got two sums, we'll do the first one. The figure, given the area of the shaded region, correct up to 2 decimals. So you need to find out the area of the shaded region. You are given a circle, and in this circle there is a rectangle. The rectangle is dimension 5 and 12. You need to find out the area shaded. Okay, now the important part. They are also given that the pi value is 3.142. This is also important. Now you can see over here, I can easily find out the area of the rectangle. Very easy, not a problem at all. But how will you find out the area of the circle? I don't have the diameter, I don't have the radius. So how do I find out the diameter or the radius? So you remember this thing that the diagonal of this rectangle is the diameter. Okay, you can see diagonal of rectangle is equals to diameter. So what is the diagonal? Diagonal is nothing but diagonal का formula क्या है? Root of L square plus B square is equals to diameter. So that will be root of 12 square plus 5 square. That is root of 144 plus 25. So root of 169. Therefore D is equals to 13 centimeters. Clear? So this we get it as 13. So diameter is 13. So radius is equals to 13 upon 2 centimeters. We need to find out the shaded area. So first of all, area shaded is equals to area circle minus area rectangle, that is pi r square minus L into B. So 3.142 into 13 upon 2 into 13 upon 2 minus 12 into 5. Clear? So let's see cancellation over here. 1s are, 5s are, 7s are, 1s are. Okay, so it will be, I'll divide further by 2. So when I divide this further by 2, I get it as 0.15 is 7, 17 is 8, 11 is 5, and 10 will be 5. So 0.7855 into 169 minus 60. So it is 7855 into 169. 9 6 are 45. No, sorry, 9 5 is 45, 9 5 is 45, 49. 72 plus 4, 76. 63 plus 7, 70. 0. 6 5 are 30. 6 5 are 30 again, 33. 6 are 48, 51. 42 plus 5, 47. 0 0. 5 5 8 7. 5 9. 9 plus 14, and then there's 6 7, and then 15 plus 7, 22, and then 7 11 13. So that gives me as 4 decimal points, 1 2 3 4. So 132.7. Now they asked us to give us up to 2 decimal points, so we'll directly take 2 decimal points, that's 75 minus 60. That will be equal to 60 किया तो ये 2.75 and then 6, so it is 7. So 72.75 centimeter square is the area of the shaded region in sum number 24A. 72.75. Understood? So here the trick was the diameter is the diagonal of the circle. The diagonal of the circle of the rectangle is the diameter of the circle. So we need to find out the diagonal. So this was sum number 24A. Now we move on to sum number 25. Okay, sum number 25. A circular field has perimeter 660 meters. A plot in the shape of a square having its vertices on the circumference is marked in the field. Calculate the area of the field. So what it means is that you got a circular field over here and you are marking a square having its vertices on the circumference. That means it is like this. There's a square over here which will be like this. You need to find out the area of the square. You need to find out the area of the square. Again, we have the same thing. We have got over here the circumference is 660. So perimeter is 660, so circumference. So circumference is equal to 660 meters. So 2 pi r is equal to 660 meters. So r is equal to 660 into 7 upon 2 into 22. So 2s are 11 60s are, then 2s are 30s are, and 2s are 15s are, and 15 7s are 105. So that will be 105 meters is the radius. Therefore diameter is equal to 105 into 2, so 210 meters. Okay, so the diameter is 210. That diameter is also the diagonal. Therefore, diagonal of square is equal to 210 meters. Got it? This is the main part. So if this is A and this is A, this is given as 210 meters. Okay. So now we find out the sides of the, or we need to find out the area basically. So we know very well that diagonal is equals to, so it is diagonal का formula क्या है? That is normally if you say it will be a square plus a square, so it is nothing but 2a square, or you can say as a root 2. Okay, it is a root 2. So therefore you can see it is a is 210 is equals to a root 2. Therefore a is equals to 210 upon root 2. This is centimeters. This is the length of the, yeah, it is the diagonal, that is this much. We need to find the area. So area is equals to a square is equals to 210 upon root 2 the whole square. So equals to 210 into 210 upon root 2 into root 2 is 2. So that will be giving you as, we'll keep it like this. So it will be 21 into 2, 21 into 21 is 441. 441 00 upon 2, that will be 22050 meter square. So the area of the square inside will be equal to 22050, that is sum number 25, 22050 meter square. Clear? Now move on to sum number 27. We have got two sums in it. We will do 27a. Okay, so sum number 27a, they are given as a figure. So according to the figure, okay, this is a figure. They are given us over here one line, dotted line here like this. And they are given the names over here, that A, B, C, D, E, F, and then P, Q, R, S, T, and U. Okay, this is what they given you. So let's see the sum. It is even, the figure shows a running track surrounding by the grass enclosed, that is PQRST. This glass enclosed is PQRST U. The enclosure consists of a rectangular PQST and with a semicircular region at each end. PQ is 200, so this is given as 200 meters, and PT is given as 70 meters. So inner radius is 70 meters. Calculate the area of the glass enclosed in meters square. Okay. Glass enclosed. Yeah. So you need to find out first of all the area of the enclosed glass area, and then you need to give, given that the track is a constant, you have calculate the perimeter, outer perimeter of this thing. Okay, so you need to find out two things. First is the area of this one, okay, your area over here, and you need to find out this perimeter. So first of all, area. So area grass is equals to area rectangle plus 2 into area semicircle. Okay, this semicircle and this semicircle, and plus area of the rectangle. This is the total area over here. Now the rectangle, you know, it is nothing but L into B. and over here it is semicircle is 2 into 1 upon 2 pi r square. So 2 gets cancelled. L is 200 and breadth is 70 plus 22 upon 7 into r is 70 upon 2 because this complete thing is 70, so it will be 35. 35 to 35, so this is 5 up. So this is 14, 1, 2, 3 plus 22 into 5 is 110, so it will be 110 into 35, okay, so it is 11, 55, 33, 38, so it will be 3850. So that gives me as 14,000 plus 3850, so that will be 17850 meter square. That's the area of the grass. The area of the grass will be this much. Now we move on to the next part, and that is the perimeter of this particular area thing. If they're given that the width is 7 meters, so now they're given that the width is 7 meters, your width is 7, so automatically my capital R will be equal to small r plus 7, so that will be equal to, small r was 35, so 35 plus 7 is 42 meters. So perimeter will be equal to 1 upon 2 into 2 pi r into 2, because 1 over here and 1 over here, okay, plus 200 plus 200, 400. Got it? I'll just write it over there. Plus 200 plus 200. So this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. It will be 2 into 22 upon 7 into 42 plus 400. So this 6 up. So 44 into 6. So 44 into 6. 6 4 are 24, 24, 26. So 264 plus 400. That is 664 meters is the perimeter of A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. So the perimeter of A, B, C, D, E, F is 664 meters. It was sum number 27A. Now we move on to sum number 28A. Okay, sum number 28A. In the figure given below, the two circles of with A touch each other at point C. If A is equals to 8 and AB is equal to 3, find the area of the shaded region. So it is this way that they are given two circles, one circle like this, another circle like this. And they given over here, the center over here, the bigger center is A and the smaller one, the center is B. And they given us that the point over here is C. If you draw a straight line like this, they again that AC is 8 and AB is 3, so automatically this is 5. AB is equals to capital R is equals to 8 centimeters. AC is equals to capital R is equal to 8 centimeters. BC is equals to small r is equals to AC minus AB is equals to 8 minus 3 is equals to 5 centimeters. Okay. You need to find out the area of the shaded region, that is area of the big circle minus area of small circle. Area shaded is equals to area big circle minus area small circle. So it is pi r square minus pi r square, that is pi r square minus r square. Okay, that will give me as 22 upon 7 into r square. First one is 8, so 8 square minus 5 square. That's 22 upon 7 into 64 minus 25. So that will give me as 22 upon 7 into 49? 9. Not 49, 14. So yeah, 9 and then 5 for 39. Yeah. So that is this part, and okay. So sum number 20. So let's do it. 39 upon 39 to 22. 18, 9, 6, 7, 7, 7, 7, 8, 15, 8. So it is 858 upon 7. So 7 1 is 7, and then it is 15, so 2 14, 1 18, again 2 14, 40, 40, and if I 35, 50 will be 7. So 122.7 51 centimeter square will be the area of the shaded region. So area of the shaded region is 122.57 centimeter square. So that was sum number 28A. Now we move on to sum number 29A, but I think we'll take it in the next video. I can continue this thing. I got time, so I'll continue with this thing as sum number 29A. So it's sum number 29A. In the figure given, two circular flower beds have been shown in the two sides. If the center of the is the point in intersection O, so that's what they are given over here. That is one rectangular part over here which has got diagonals like this, and this is a quadrant. So this area and this area are quadrants. We need to find out this area. So this is O, this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Okay. It's given that the two sides of a square lawn ABCD of side 56. So the side is 56. Okay, this is 56. This is 90 degrees. It's a square. So this is also 56. This is also 56. So you need to find out the area of the two shaded parts. So sum of the areas of the two parts. So we know that over here side is 56. So we need to find out the diagonal. So we know that the diagonal of a square, diagonal is equals to A root 2. Okay, this is the diagonal of the square. Diagonal of square is side root 2. So we know diagonal is equal to 56 root 2. Okay, so that is 56 root 2 is the diagonal. Therefore, diameter, so if diagonal is 56 root 2, means this is 56 root 2, so automatically radius will be half of it. So diameter is equal to 56 root 2. Therefore, radius is equal to 28 root 2. So now we find out the area of one part. So area quadrant is equal to 1 upon 4 pi r square. So it's 1 upon 4 into 22 upon 7 into 28 root 2 into 28 root 2. This 4 is 4 cancel. So it is 28 into 22. So it is 44. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So it is 22 into 2 into 28. So that is 44 into 28. So 28 into 44 for 32, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. So it is 1, 2, 3, 2 is the area of the quadrant. So now what we require is, you know that there are, so this area is the quadrant. So this is the area of the quadrant what we have found out. 132 centimeter square. We need to find out now the see, we already know that the diagonals are going to divide the square into 4 equal parts. So we know if you want to find out, or we can even do this way, I can just find out, I know that this part and this part over here is 28 root 2 and 28 root 2. So I can find out the area of the triangle. So area triangle DOC is equals to half into base into height is equals to half into 28 root 2 into 28 root 2. So that cancels, root 2 is 2, so it is cancelling. So 28 ka square, I don't remember it right now, it's 324 I suppose. 8 8 is 64, 8 2 is 16, 16, 22. 16, 5. Yeah, 784, yeah. 784 centimeter square. Therefore, area shaded is equals to 780, it will be 1232 minus 784. So that will be equal to, this is 8, so 12, so 8 and then 2, so 12, and this will be 4 and then 11, so 4 again. Centimeter square, therefore area total, so therefore total area is equals to 448 into 2 is equals to 16, 9 and 8, 896 centimeters square. Because we found out this area, we first found out this area to be as 448 and this area is going to be another 448. Accordingly, the total area for sum number 29 will be equal to, one sec, there's some issues. 29th ka first one is 24032. Just a minute. What is the question? Find the sum of the areas of the lawn and the flower bed. Oh, sorry. So area of the lawn and the flower bed, both they want. So yeah, so this will be the area of the lawn or area of the shaded area, and then you need to find the flower bed also. Flower bed is nothing but, so area lawn is equal to 56 into 56, that is this square. Okay, 56 into 56. Is equals to 3136 centimeter square. Therefore, total area is equals to 3136 plus 896. That will be 2, then 3, 0, 4032 meter square. Okay, everywhere is meters, so I need to change that thing. So 4032 is the total area. They wanted the total area. They वहाँ पे shaded भले किया, but फिर क्या पूछा है? Find the sum of the areas. So sum of the areas पूछा, इसलिए we need to add it up. So that's why we had to convert this thing like this. So area will be equal to 4032 centimeter square. That was, we first of all found out the diagonal. After finding out the diagonal, we got the radius. So from the radius, I got the area of this much part. उसमें से triangle को मैंने subtract किया. उसके बाद मुझे ये part मिला. So this part plus this part are the two things which are added to the area of the square. So that gives me the total area. Okay. So that was sum number 29. We move on to sum number 30 in the next video.